Okay, I'm ready. Go ahead.
Whoa. You gotta jack it up way more, man. I gotta get past this thing. Look, I need other clearance. You gotta clear it. Clearance. Whoa. Yeah. What's going on? Where should I race it at?
Motor out for the 90th time.
The steering box is in the way, so I have to modify again. It's got to be recessed.
It's gonna be easy. There's only these 4 factory spotless. I'm gonna grind them off and drill them out.
And slide it
The
back.
whole box comes out,
Grind it
and
down.
then I'm gonna cut 1.5 inches off
Out the back to the weld.
There's posts and everything, and then slide it
Weld
back
through the
in
holes.
and put it right back in.
Isn't
1.5 inches shorter.
that clever? Did y'all get that? That's how we talk. Cheating, yeah.
It'll work.
Any different lights. What we're trying to do is cut down the original steering box mount because it was a little too wide and it wasn't clearing the motor, so Joey's removing sections. We're going to tuck it inside the frame when we need a maximum of 6.5 inches. And we're totally like within 1/8 of it, so we're shaving it down. We're going to put that in so the original steering box fits in the frame and the headers and all that other junk and clears. So when we come back, you'll see what's going on and how we're doing that.
That piece came out flat.
Yes. Oh, look at that. It slid right in. That's what all the guys say, huh?
Yeah, it's in my hand. Push it right in there.
While I was up at the store getting bolts for the mount here, Joe took the time to paint the harmonic balancer, some of the pulley action, and the part itself that's going in to hold the steering box. He's also prepped the inside area with some paint, you know, cover up the exposed areas.
He likes to waste my time. Danzo is with my time.
Alright, anyway. Well, old Spanky's being a dick. We got the steering box back in and recessed using the original bracket.
Because I did it.
No, because it was my idea.
Yeah, you wanted to hack it.
No, it was my idea. I don't give a shit. Big old shit talking fucker. Spanky wants to jack it up so we can see if it'll turn.
Make sure it works. What's the fucking point of putting it all back together if it don't work? Really good turn to the right. Not very good turn at all. That's not even turning, dude. That's hurting.
I don't know, look at the outside tire. Oh, it's getting rained on.
Yeah? You know what we need to do? Tape measure. Hold on.
That's way turning. That's like some Brody 360 there. Hey, wanna see it, Indo?
Come down low enough because they're gonna come up that little corner and flip this concrete. Yeah, go up for it. That's down. That's cool.
I'm Andy Hawk, and this is Sounds of Sax.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Is it clear?
Fuck yeah. How about that? Woo!
Just barely. See, before we modified this part and this part were touching. So that wasn't good.
Oh, those pins are in. Let me lift the front end up off the ground and turn it to see if that pitman on turns far enough that we didn't hit that.
Oh, the underneath?
Yeah.
Okay, we got some more stuff to do, so give us a second.
Is there somebody on your holiday shopping list that rides?
Is it clearing under the motor?
Right now,
Yeah.
National Cycle Discount Center has $20 leather vests, $50 chaps, and $80 leather jackets. Motocross riders will save on jerseys for only $15.
Sure is. We have tire spinach, dude. With the stock box. Turn it again. Look at how pretty that is. Turn it one more time. There it is. And we have our clearance. Babies.
You know what we could do? Find out how far this side turns and then weld the stop on the other side so they both only go that far.
Doink! There, now it's perfect. Sucker.
Guess I'll pull it back out tomorrow.
You really want to weld tonight in the rain?
I just didn't want to have to bother you to get you dirty to get you out of here to lift the motor tomorrow.
Oh, so you want to take the motor out now so you can weld it tomorrow? Yeah, we can take it out.
We can take it out tomorrow, okay.
And that, people, is today's episode. Peace out.